Tangihanga just cements and grounds me right here that, wow, this is our birthright. I think Tangihanga is a birthright for Māori.
As we can still be Māori, we can still uphold our tikanga, and we can be Māori in another land and then return home.
Oh, the future is looking strong. So we work as a whānau and we have different ideas to Jules because we're younger, we're her children as well, and we're like, I want that one, I don't like that, I want to do this, I want to do, we're trying to...
We truly have a family dynamic in our tawhina.
I come here in 1999. I opened this business up in 2011. I can't speak the reo or anything like that, but when I do tangihanga, I know that I'm Māori. So I really learnt a lot here about being Māori, and I learnt about what our needs were.
I honestly get a sense of pride and mana for our people, especially, we're brought up here in Australia, we've spent most of our lives here as Māori Australians, and we've really cemented ourselves here. And I know that back home, or some may think that we're disconnected, but this is what actually grounds us and keeps us connected through tikanga, through tangihanga.
We've had people make comments thinking that they couldn't afford it. And I've heard later, oh, we thought it was going to cost us this much, so we've gone to cremation. Some things I just nod my head, I think, man, that can't be happening.
Because of the education that they've been taught that repatriation is this much and that much, that people kind of shy away from that.
And they actually don't even ask sometimes. Yeah. They don't ask, it's us who's saying, hey, have you thought about going home?
It's a funny dynamic, I think, that when you're confronted with it, all of a sudden, what you remembered seeing as a child, you fall in love with again. Being at a marae and just being around that whānau dynamic, you fall in love with that again. And I think at that moment, you want that. We try to recreate that as best as we can here. But in my experience, it's still a fabrication of the real deal. To return my parents to the real deal, to return them back to their real, that reconnects us with our real, so we can still live here and say we're real, even though we live here. He manawa nui tonu tā mātu ki ngā take Māori, me ngā kaupapa Māori. As we can still be Māori, we can still uphold our tikanga, and we can be Māori in another land and then return home. Things like tangihanga, yeah, it separates us, but it also brings us back together. And that's why I think Te Awhina is one of the po in our Māori community here in Brisbane.